In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate WordPress with Kit. We are going to walk through the setup process, step by step, using the Apps section. By the end, you will have WordPress installed and ready to use inside Kit, so you can start building and managing your site from one place. First, click Apps. This is where you find all the services and tools that you can add to your Kit workspace. When you open the Apps area, take a moment to look at the search bar or the list of available applications. The goal here is to locate WordPress quickly, so you can move on to installation without getting stuck. Next, search for WordPress. Click into the search field and type WordPress exactly as you see it. As you type, you will usually notice results updating in real time. This is helpful because it narrows down options and shows the correct app faster. Look for the WordPress entry in the results list and confirm that it matches what you expect before moving forward. This step matters because choosing the correct app ensures the installation will complete properly. After you find WordPress, click Install. This is the action that starts the integration process. When you select Install, the system typically begins preparing the application for your workspace. Depending on your environment, you may see a loading screen or a short setup panel appear. Stay on that screen and do not refresh or leave the page while the install is running, because the setup needs to complete in order for WordPress to connect successfully. Now that the install process has started, you will need to complete the setup. This is the final stage where Kit asks for any required configuration, so WordPress is properly set up. On screen, you may see fields that need your attention, such as selection options, basic configuration prompts, or confirmation steps. Follow what the interface shows and make sure you understand what each prompt is doing before you proceed. If there is a button to continue, confirm, or finish, click it when you are ready. As you complete the setup, keep an eye on the status indicators. Some systems show a progress bar, some show messages like Setup Complete, and others may show a success confirmation once WordPress is fully installed. If there is a summary page, review it briefly to ensure everything looks correct. If the interface asks you to confirm the installation or apply changes, go ahead and confirm so WordPress becomes active in your Kit workspace. Once the setup is complete, take a moment to verify that WordPress is now available within your apps or connected services list. This check is important because it confirms that the integration finished successfully and that you can access WordPress from your Kit environment. If you see WordPress listed and ready to use, you are on the right track. Finally, you can begin using WordPress as integrated with Kit. At this point, you have completed the essential workflow. You located WordPress in Apps, installed it, and finished the setup so it is ready for your next actions. If your next step is to configure your site content or start creating pages, you can do that after installation, following whatever guidance Kit provides for managing WordPress from within the workspace. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.